Hi and welcome to another video. This is Eleni and today I'm going to play with gouache and see what other mediums I can use over them. My gouache paints are the Layer Cakes by Jane Davenport, and as I understand it, gouache is a kind of opaque watercolor and it can be hard to work over it with other mediums. For example, colored pencils. It works for me sometimes, but other times it does not, and I think it depends on how thick the gouache layer is. So after painting this girl with my layer cakes, I'm gonna look at what other art supplies I have that will work over them. And in the description box below you can find the link to a free printable sketch of her so that you can come and play along with me. So what I figured out was that some of the paints I can use are color sticks, gelatos, woodies, pastels, neocolors, carbon ink and paint pens. What did you find out? Did you use something else? Please let me know in the comment section below. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, Please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment under it, but also make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get notified about my new videos. Thank you so much for being here. Stay safe and see you soon. Love and kisses.